Did you ever have a beautiful ripe avocado, spoon out the creamy green gold, and toss the pit carelessly? Well, here's the surprise. That boring, slimy avocado pit hidden under the flesh is capable of transforming your kitchen into a lush, living garden, and quite possibly even rewarding you with free avocado fruit for years to come. What if I told you that the things everyone else discards can actually turn out to be a fantastic indoor plant or even a mature tree if taken care of? I discovered this secret one lazy Sunday afternoon. I planted an avocado pit in a jar of water, half out of boredom and half because I hate wasting food. Weeks passed by, and a small root forced its way through the tough pig, and then came a victorious green sprout reaching for life. It was as if I was witnessing a miracle on my windowsill. Here's how you can create your own miracle. First, gently remove your seed from the avocado, wash it, and label top and bottom, pointed side up, flat side down. Insert 3 or 4 toothpicks around the middle and suspend your seed over a glass of water so that the bottom is submerged. Place it in a sunny window and change the water every few days so bacteria don't form. Be patient. Within 2 to 6 weeks, roots will plunge deep and a strong stem will shoot upwards. When a sprout is around 6 inches tall, test pruning it back to stimulate more robust growth. Once the roots are thick and the stem has leafed out, pot your baby avocado plant in well-fertilized soil. Keep the soil damp but not waterlogged and provide plenty of indirect light. As it grows, the plant will reward you with shiny leaves, a large green canopy, and the thrill of morning wonder. With patience, yes, it takes a few years when a plant might even yield its first creamy avocado, so that every homemade slice will be a victory taste. That's the actual twist. This is not just about cultivating an avocado. It's about patience, change, and converting regular kitchen garbage into a thriving symbol of rebirth. Seeing something that was about to be discarded become a living, breathing tree is a reminder that growth tends to materialize in the most unexpected ways. Then, grab that next avocado seed and start your own indoor orchard. Create a green heaven of full nature's splendor, fresh air, and endless possibilities. Be sure to nurture it with love, light, and a touch of wonder. If you are inspired to attempt and cultivate your own avocado plant after viewing this video, hit that subscribe button and like this video, share it with another plant lover. Your next snack may just become something great.